Hello everyone, I'm G-Slice, and bananas come in many different shapes, colors, sizes, and taste. But have you ever seen this? Welcome to IBTSO, and today we're talking about blue bananas. Okay, they're slightly blue, but it still counts. The blue jaw banana is a Hawaiian variety of banana that naturally tastes like ice cream. Yeah, ice cream. Okay, how can a naturally produced fruit taste like a man-made meal of milk, sugar, and plant gums that does not exist in nature? Well, I was amazed myself when I found out that it could. The banana tastes like a creamy mixture of milk and sugar and is actually only light blue or sometimes purple in color when it is unripe and turns pale yellow like every other banana when it is ripe. It can be also found in Southeast Asia. And if blue isn't your thing, you also have pink bananas that taste like mangoes. They're simply called red bananas, but their scientific name is Musa cuminata. Well, bananas are grown in more than 150 countries and have 1,000 types, so one has to suit your taste. There is also banana wine and banana beer made in east regions of Africa. Also, the common Cavendish banana really shouldn't exist. You see, these bananas have evolved to get rid of the fertile seeds, which would leave them no way to reproduce and make new bananas on new plants. So how did they get here, and how are there so many? And that's because they're created by people. And by that I mean a part of the stem has to be manually transported to other grounds in order for the plant to reproduce. But was it always so bad for the bananas? Well, yeah, pretty much. There was once a species of banana just as common and widespread as our Cavendish today, the Gros Michel. It was sweeter, had thicker skin, and actual fertile seeds inside it. It was the most widely grown banana, until the 1950s, that is. But what happened to this wonder? Well, a virus called Panama disease started infecting some crops in one particular place, and soon enough the whole breed was extinct or terminated by farmers due to it being so vulnerable to the disease. And we can see from this example in history that having crops that are literal genetical copies of each other with no variety to stop or slow down some virus so widely spread probably isn't a good idea. Then why are we doing it now? Literally, the Cavendish is under risk of being infected by some virus and going extinct just like the Gros Michel. So, in conclusion, enjoy those bananas while you can, and subscribe.